Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect Z-Link. First, let's gather everything we need. Make sure you have all the required cables, power sources, and any specific adapters. It's a good practice to power down both devices before starting the connection process to prevent any potential issues. Also, quickly confirm that your devices are compatible with the Z-Link standard. This preparation ensures a smooth and successful setup. Now, let's establish the connection. If you're using a wired Z-Link, simply plug one end of the cable into the first device and the other end into the second device, ensuring a snug fit. For a wireless connection, activate the pairing mode on your main device. Then, on the second device, search for new Z-Link connections and select your primary device from the list. This step usually takes just a few moments. Once connected, you might need to configure a few settings. Look for any on-screen prompts that guide you through the next steps. Sometimes, installing specific drivers or software updates is necessary to ensure the Z-Link operates at its best. Take a moment to adjust any preferences, such as audio routing or data transfer speeds, within your device's settings. Always confirm the connection status indicator shows a solid, successful link. Finally, let's test your new Z-Link connection. Try playing some audio or transferring a small file to ensure everything is working as expected. If you encounter any issues, don't worry. First, double-check all your physical connections and confirm both devices are powered on. A simple restart of both devices can often resolve minor glitches. For persistent problems, refer to your device's user manual for specific Z-Link troubleshooting guidance. You'll be up and running in no time.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.